This ring footage captures something more horrifying than anything you'll ever see: an unwanted group of Karens. The video takes place in New Mexico, and the three ladies were nonchalantly walking around, perhaps trying to find a way inside. The homeowner soon notices and confronted them. Listen to this.
I see you, and I am calling the police.
I have no idea what the trio wanted, but thankfully we'll never know. Watch as this Philadelphia intruder tries this doorknob before walking away. That's why you keep your doors locked. A man in New York uses a piece of paper with plastic surrounding it to try and unlock this door. Take a look. No telling what his intentions were. However, they couldn't be good. In this video, we see a bear and 4 cubs roaming this neighborhood. If you know your neighborhood is bear infested, it's important to keep your pets inside. Watch as this man tries to steal a dirt bike in broad daylight and gets confronted. He drove off, and fortunately, the dirt bike fell out. Hopefully it isn't too damaged to ride. This clip highlights why I preach leaving pets inside in case of wild animals. Take a look as this cat gets chased by a coyote. Fortunately, the cat is fine. That could have ended really bad had the coyote got a hold of it. I'm sure that cat will stay inside from now on. This footage happened at 4:30 a.m. in Long Beach, California. A masked man approaches a home and tries to break in, followed by another masked man emerging into the frame as perhaps a lookout. The homeowner stated their car had been broken into and their truck was open. However, there was no footage capturing that. It was too dark. Police were notified and are on the lookout. This short but horrifying clip captures a man kicking down a door to gain entry into an apartment. Listen to the impact of the kick on the door. There's no info as to what happened after, but hopefully no one was home. Ring footage shows a woman in Austin, Texas, trying to break into a woman's home before this happened.
Go away, please. Go away.
Kudos to the homeowner for scaring that lady away. Doorbell footage shows a woman standing at this door. Listen to what she says here.
The door right now.
Answer
But
the
if
door
you'd like
right
to
now.
leave a message,
But if you'd like
you
to
can
leave
do
a
it now.
message, you can do it now.
Let me hear. What is really going on? Oh.
She sounded distressed, but an issue is her checking the homeowner's car. Why do that if you're just lost? What were her real intentions being at a random house at 2 a.m.? This woman tried to steal a package and was confronted. Listen to her ridiculous lies.
Hello? Excuse me.
Hello, hi. Yeah.
You were ringing
Can
the door?
is your you guys? Huh?
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking to see. I'm Adam's friend in the back, and then I want to see if does anybody know whose BMW is that in the back? If they want to sell it.
No, we don't know.
You don't know whose bike that is? I mean,
No.
whose car that is in the back?
No.
Oh.
Is that?
The black one. That's in the
No.
back.
No.
I'm gonna try the back one in the back house.
Yeah.
But I'm Adam's friend. Hi.
Yeah, it's
You know who Adam is, right? Oh no, I wasn't taking it, sir.
yeah. Well, I saw you taking it, and I'm recording it.
What would you do if you were in that man's situation? This happened in New Orleans and shows two men well covered up at 8:30 a.m. and breaks into this home. Observe. No shocked reactions or screams were heard, so it's safe to assume no one was home. No info as to what was taken, but hopefully these men get caught. This man walked into a home that wasn't his and received an unwarm welcome.
Get out! Hey, damn, what the What the you don't come into my house? Listen, I got home. You didn't walk to my house. I thought this was an apartment, bro. It's not an apartment. Stay out. You walk in the front door again, I have the right to kill you. Gonna get the out of here.
Keep your doors locked, people. I think it's safe to say that man won't try that home again. An Amazon driver forgets to leave her car on park, and this happens. Safe to say, she won't have a job after that. This short but eerie clip shows a man holding a machete. He shortly walks away, but why did he have a machete? And what was he doing at a stranger's house? I would notify authorities if this were my home. This happened in Elmont and shows a woman approach a neighbor's home looking for a way in. Take a look. The woman eventually gave up and walked away. Don't know what her intentions were, but quite frankly, I don't want to know. This video shows a couple in a garage loading their vehicle up with stolen goods. Observe. The homeowners weren't home. This might be a couple they know. However, considering they had to figure they wouldn't be home and they were okay to enter their garage, to my knowledge, they were never caught. In this astonishing video, a man is suddenly awakened by a thunderous plant explosion, illuminating the Texas night sky. As he hurries outside, his face shows a blend of awe and concern while witnessing the fiery chaos in the distance.
That's one hell of a boom. Get back to the house. I call 911.
The incredible footage provides us with a front row seat to the raw power of nature and the human response to an extraordinary event. Under the cover of darkness, a strange man cautiously approaches a house porch veiled in shadows. Engaging in furtive moments, the person attempts to steal something valuable, unaware that they are unknowingly stepping into a homeowner's trap. As the morning light starts to break, a sense of urgency fills the air as three mysterious individuals step out of their car, drawn to the homeowner's property like moths to a flame. With the sun barely rising, they begin to survey the house, their intentions veiled in darkness. But fear not, for the homeowner is fully awake and alert, prepared to defend their sanctuary. As the daring confrontation unfolds, the morning silence is shattered by the homeowner's unwavering resolve. Their bravery forces the intruders to retreat, their plans foiled by the unexpected resistance. In this spine-chilling footage recorded by a watchful homeowner's Ring doorbell camera, we observe an enigmatic man cautiously approaching the front door as the automated voice prompts him to leave a package. The man's demeanor becomes uneasy, hesitating to comply. However, this unsettling behavior doesn't stop there. Rather than making a quick retreat, he lingers, surrounded by a dark cloud of ominous intent that shrouds his every move.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Unexpectedly, the same enigmatic man reappears at the scene just minutes after his initial confrontation with the vigilant homeowner. His eerie appearance is recorded by the Ring doorbell camera, leading to a multitude of questions. What compels him to come back? What is his sinister motive? Why does he persist in haunting this unsuspecting homeowner's abode? These mysterious circumstances raise deep concerns and leave everyone wondering about the man's true intentions. In this video, a man disguised as a construction worker emerges from the shadows, fixating on a random house with stealthy hands and a hidden agenda. This deceptive intruder makes a chilling attempt to gain access to the property. Just as you thought the danger had passed, the relentless imposter strikes again, undeterred by their initial failure. This time they return prepared to break into the very heart of the home. The fake construction worker comes back bolder than before, with sinister intentions lurking in their shadows. With audacious skill, this intruder navigates the back door of the house and infiltrates the property, shattering the homeowner's sense of security. Moving through the house like a phantom, they ransack valuables and belongings, revealing that this is no ordinary burglar. This cunning criminal knows precisely where to find their prey, leaving no doubt that they are well versed in the art of infiltration. In this spine-chilling clip, the boundary between safety and danger blurs as a man cleverly disguises himself as a harmless delivery guy from Grubhub. Beneath his deceptive appearance lies sinister intent as he targets a seemingly ordinary property. The Ring doorbell captures this disturbing scene, leaving us to contemplate the lurking dangers that can approach our doors. The imposter, bolstered by his elaborate ruse, approaches the property with confidence, seeking to exploit any vulnerability he finds. As darkness descends upon a tranquil neighborhood, a mysterious figure emerges from the shadows, donning the eerie and infamous guise of Momo. The enigmatic intruder sends shivers down your spine with every sinister gesture. Under the ominous glow of the moon, the figure approaches the house, seemingly drawn to the allure of the Ring doorbell camera. Each strange gesture leaves the homeowner perplexed and disturbed, pondering what dark intentions lie behind this unsettling facade. Who is this mysterious person? Are they simply playing a twisted prank, or is there something far more sinister? The homeowner is left to grapple with these unsettling questions. This happened in July of 2023 and shows a masked man trying to break into someone's home before realizing he tried the wrong home. I commend the homeowner for talking to the individual and going about it in a civil manner. This could have been a lot worse.
What's up, bro? Oh. Chill, man. You alright? Alright. It ain't gotta be like this, man. Don't gotta be like this. We can talk. I just wanna go on by my way. Hey, just chill for a minute. Just let me talk to you, alright? I'm gonna put mine down, you put yours down. Let's talk. I just wanna go on by my way, though. Hey, everything gonna be alright, bro. All we gotta do is talk, alright? Hey, I done been there, dog. I done been on that side. All you gotta do is talk to me, dog. What's wrong, man? What's wrong? A lot of things going on. All right, you gotta put that down, though, so we can talk. Let's talk about what you got going on. I promise you. Bro, I ain't gonna call the police or nothing. But you gotta talk to me, all right? You can't do it like this. Let's just talk, bro. You wanna make some money? Let's talk about making some money. All right? All right? This ain't the life you wanna live, bro. Come talk to me. Put mine down now. Come on in. Come talk to me, man. This is my brother, man. All right, my little brother. Let's talk about your little brother in the house, dog. Let's get him out here. All right.
However, it is important to note, you should stay inside and call the police. Some intruders won't be as friendly. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.